I'm Ruth Marcus.
I'm Megan McArdle.
And that's why I'm right about Roe v. Wade. In a perfect world, we'd decide contested issues by Democratic majorities. School systems would desegregate themselves. State legislatures would let blacks and whites marry, or married women buy contraceptives. But we have a constitution because there are certain fundamental rights that should be put beyond the whims of Democratic majorities. That's why women need the right to decide for themselves whether to continue pregnancies.
In Roe v. Wade, the Supreme Court tried to place the right of a woman to choose an abortion beyond the uncomfortable compromises of legislative debate. Unfortunately, it backfired, and it just focused our politics on the court itself, a battle that conservatives are now winning. That's why Roe needs to go.
If you think a woman should have a right to choose whether to continue an unwanted pregnancy, tell me why that right should be less in Mississippi or Iowa than it is in New York or California. Answer that.
America tolerates a diversity of outcomes in things that are really important, like the criminal justice system, precisely because we recognize that community standards matter for democratic legitimacy, and that's something the court needs to consider.
And that's why I'm right. I thought you were a libertarian.
What?
I thought you were a libertarian.
I am.
I thought you wanted government out.
Libertarians are not all pro-choice.
But it's not a question of pro-choice. It's a question of whether government should tell people what to do.
Government sometimes